mash a banana and add these two ingredients, you will never cough again in your life. Coughs are a reaction of the body when it is trying to clean up the central highway of the respiratory system. Coughing is a sign that there is something wrong inside your body, and at most patients it occurs as a result of common cold, flu or bronchitis. Bronchitis is a medical condition that occurs when the airways become clogged and when an inflammation of the lining of the bronchial tubes. Over time, if the condition is left untreated, it may cause severe damage to the lung tissues. When it comes to treatment of bronchitis, most patients go to the pharmacy immediately after coughing and buy certain products that are supposed to help them. But, you should be aware of the fact that all those products that you are buying from the pharmacy against coughs actually are not much efficient. Below we are going to present you a remedy that will help you if you are suffering from a persistent cough or bronchitis. It is consisted of honey and bananas and is incredibly effective. It will soothe sore throat, relieve cough and can even help you against stomach issues. Ingredients: -400 ml water, 2 tablespoons raw organic honey, 2 ripe organic bananas. Preparation: place the water on the heat. Peel the bananas and then put them in a bigger bowl and mash them with large wooden spoon. Add the boiling water and wait until it cools down. Finally, add the honey and mix well again. Use. Consume this remedy 4 times a day. It is advisable to warm it a little bit before consumption. This natural remedy will relieve the coughs. Additionally, this remedy will help you to sleep better due to the amazing ability of the bananas to increase the serotonin levels. Moreover, this mixture is really helpful when you are coughing, as the persistent coughing might leave you without sleep during the night.